Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. Today, we'll be unboxing a compact product that provides high quality panoramic images as well as detailed close-up images at the same time. Introducing the Dahua S-Type Mini Hubble Network Camera. The S-Type Mini Hubble camera offers two different models. This model provides a 180-degree field of view using 4 lenses with 8 megapixel HD resolution, while this model provides a 360-degree field of view using 8 lenses with 16 megapixel HD resolution. On the side of the box, you can find its basic information. Today, we'll be looking at the 180 camera. Let's open up the box and see what's inside. Here we go. Here's what it looks like when you open it. Inside you will find a power adapter, an installation guide, a wrench, a safety rope, thread sealant tape, a pack of screws, a network port waterproof connector, the legal and regulatory information booklet, the hanging mount, and the camera. Compared to the larger Hubble camera, I can hold it comfortably with one hand. Let's take a closer look at the Mini Hubble. Here is the camera. It has an IP67 rating, making it suitable for rugged environments. At the top, you can see the built-in mic and speaker, which supports two-way talk. This model is equipped with 4 2-megapixel cameras for a 180-degree field of view. Under those is the 4-megapixel PTZ camera, which supports 25 times optical zoom and some AI features as well in a metal casing. The PTZ camera is also equipped with an IR illuminator range of up to 100 meters. Here you can see the built-in bubble level sensor, which ensures an easy installation process and level images. Inside, you can see the camera's interface. As I mentioned earlier, this camera is compact. As you can see here, the Mini Hubble is 60% more compact than the previous Hubble camera. Additionally, we've reduced the weight by 50%, making the installation process easier. Let's look at some awesome features the Mini Hubble offers. The 180 and 360 panoramic cameras can automatically detect tripwire and multi-target intrusion in the detection area and provide an output alarm signal. Simultaneously, the PTZ camera can quickly and automatically zoom in and track the target after a tripwire or intrusion is triggered on the panoramic camera. The camera is equipped with some AI functions, including multi-band blending, which can effectively solve the problems of brightness, chromatic aberration, and ghosting in the switching area to achieve a seamless image effect. It also includes video metadata. Using a deep learning algorithm, it can capture images of humans and vehicles and extract their attributes to locate them immediately. Overall, the Dahua Mini Hubble Network Camera is a brand new panoramic product with a smaller size and lighter weight, making installation easier. The camera can provide high-quality panoramic and detailed images simultaneously and is equipped with multiple powerful AI functions. This camera is ideal for panoramic surveillance for medium to large scenes, such as corporate campuses, parks, and squares. Thanks for checking out this video. As always, this has been your friendly Dahua assistant, Danny. If you're new to this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click that bell notification icon. Stay tuned for more informative videos right here at Dahua Technology, enabling a safer society and smarter living.